Make sure you're wearing this for your CBT. We need to be wearing something suitable on our feet, something that covers our ankles, solid, sturdy foot protection. I would advise to try and stay away from things like steel toe caps. It will reduce your feel and can also cause more injury if anything were to happen. Make sure you keep something that will keep you warm, so a nice protective jacket, although some schools may offer that as well. The minimum on the leg wear is a thick, sturdy pair of jeans. No such thing as shorts or tracksuit bottoms. You need something that's going to protect you in the event of a spill off that motorcycle. So what not to wear, some examples would be full-size tracksuit, shorts, no trainers, and that does also include high-top trainers as well. Needs to be in a minimum standard of something like a walking boot, provides a good sturdy protection, or ideally simply motorcycle gear.